Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchuk. Welcome. My channel is about DIY, natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. To my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, family. In today's video, we are going to be making a powerful DIY hair mask. I use those vera ingredients into my peanut butter powder because my coffee growth oil is loaded with caffeine, which is great for our hair. When an application is done on the hair and scalp, it finds its ways to the roots and stimulate them by improving its structure and growth. It restores hair growth and prevents hair loss. It can also target the compound DHT, which is responsible for all of our hair loss issues in both male and female. This oil is also combined with many other great oils, which can also contribute to hair growth. Our next ingredient, which is the organic neem oil. Regular application of the neem oil promotes thicker, stronger, and more faster hair growth. Neem oils has anti-inflammatory, antibiotic, and antioxidant properties, which prevent baldness as it treats scalp issues like scalp porosis, which can lead to permanent hair loss if left untreated. Since our hair grows from our scalp, organic neem oil is very important in keeping our scalp healthy to be able to grow long and beautiful. Safflower oil stimulates hair growth as well as its strength. It conditions the scalp and hair by contributing shine and enhancing blood circulation. Okay guys, so I have my weird hair mask here. I had no idea that you could use peanut butter on your hair until I Google it. So I'm going to give this a try. I only co-wash my hair with conditioner, and then I'm going to part my hair in section and apply this to my hair. If you don't have the peanut butter powder, I will you can just use regular peanut butter, just add some oils into it, and it's gonna work the same way as well. So I'm just going to apply this to my hair and see how well it can moisturize my hair. And then if this work out good, maybe it's something that I will continue to try. So let's just see how this gonna work. Our last ingredient, which is the MSM powder, is known as a sulfur-rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties. According to research, MSM sulfur can form bonds essential to strengthening hair and influencing hair growth. Sulfur is required for proteins like our keratin protein. As we know, our hair is made of 91% protein. So to maintain their shape, which contributes directly to the overall health, strength, and elasticity of hair. Sulfur has been proven to lengthen the growth phase of our hair. A longer growing phase results in less resting and shedding phase, which means we can have longer hair. Our hair goes through three different phases. We have the anagen phase, which is the catagen phase, and then the telogen phase. So when these three phases are over, the whole process starts again. If you guys will want to know more about that, just let me know down in the comment section, and I will be happy to make that video. video, please don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.